Hello kindergartners, it's Mrs. Skinner again. I'm going to do the math lesson for Monday, April 27th. All right, so we're getting pretty good at counting to 100. I'm going to use my deck of cards again, and I'm going to pull the top card. What number do I have? 20. So we're going to start at 20 and we're going to count all the way to 100. Remember to do our jazz hands, our 5 and 5 for each set of 10. 20 is a set of 10, so we're going to do jazz hands right on the first number, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Woo! Good job. Counting to 100 is hard work. All right, we were just starting to work on adding two different numbers together before school closed. So let's practice a little bit. If Miss Skinner has a 1 and then another 1, how many do I have when I add them together? If you said 2, you are right. A 1 and a 1 is 2. Now, I'm going to show you these. We used to see these every day at school. Do you remember what this is called, this box? It's called a 10 frame because it is a box, a frame that has 5 and 5. 5 spaces in the top row, 5 in the bottom, so it makes a 10 frame. Today on your practice page, you're going to be seeing 10 frames. Okay, let's start by practicing by looking just at the top row. Okay? How many dots do I have in the top row? 1. 1 dot out of 5 spaces. So if there's 1 dot here, how many more do I need to make 5? If you can't tell just by looking, it's okay to count. Okay, we've got 1 already. How many more do we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more to make 5. Okay, let's try a different one. Miss Skinner's going to get a little bit tricky here. Aha. Now, look at this 10 frame. I have the top row again, which is 5 spaces. How many dots do I have in the top row? 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many more do I need to fill up the row of 5? I have 3. How many more do I need to make 5? If you need to count, that's okay. 1, 2. 2 more fills it up, so 2 more makes 5. Okay. So now, we're going to practice with our hand for just a second too, because this top line has 5 squares. Your hand has 5 fingers. Okay, so Miss Skinner wants to make 5. Miss Skinner has 3. How many more do I need to make 5? In other words, how many fingers am I not holding up? If you said 2 more to make 5, you were right. 1 more. If Miss Skinner has 1, she wants to make 5. How many more does she need? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more makes 5. Okay, now that our brains are warmed up with making 5, I'm going to show you the pages. These are in your packet. 2 different pages with ways to make 5 or 10. Okay? Okay. So looking here, this is an example. It has a 5 frame and it shows you how to fill it in. 1 empty one plus the 4 that are filled. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay? The best way to look at it is to just go from left to right, just like you're reading, and fill in the equation the same way. This one, they put the 5 at the beginning. They said 5 equals. Well, how many cubes do we have in there? 3. And then how many blank ones? 2. Okay, I'm going to write that in for you. So we have 3 blank, 2 empty. So 5 is equal to 3 plus 2. Okay, and you do the same thing for all of these to make 5. You figure out how many are showing and how many more are needed. Okay? This one, they're trying to trick us. They have all of them filled in. How many cones are there? Okay, there's 5 cones. How many empties? 0. So for this one, you would put 5 plus 0 because there's none empty. Okay, so that's how you do that page. The next one, it's basically the same thing, except this time we have a 10 frame. So for this one, count how many are in there. Like this one has 5, 6, 7. So you'd put 7, and 3 are empty. 3. So 7 and 3 makes 10. Miss Skinner, I'll write that one in there to show you. 7 and 3. And you do that for all of them. If you need to stop and count each one, it's okay. If you can tell just by looking, that's okay too. Okay, let's do a practice with our fingers. Okay, so 10. 5 and 5 is 10. So if Miss Skinner has 6 in her 10 frame, 5 and 1 is 6. I've got 6. How many more do I need to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more makes 10. Okay? 10. If I have 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, I've got 8 in my 10 frame. How many more do I need to make 10? 1, 2. And that fills up all 10 of my fingers. Okay, so that's how you do it. These 2 pages are in your packet. Do your best work. Have fun. Good job. See you later.